The Voice of Health Wellness Tip with Dr. Robert Prather of Meridian Health and Wellness.
One of the most basic fundamentals that I base my practice off of is something called the Atlas orthogonal technique.
It's the type of adjustment?
It's a specific type of an adjustment, and orthogonal means at right angles. In other words, the head is sitting on top of your body.
That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. Because about 80% of the people don't have that. And it has probably one of the greatest effects on the entire system.
You're saying 80% of people don't have the
atlas sitting on underneath the skull.
Now, the atlas properly. We're talking about is the first vertebrae.
First vertebrae under the occiput. So a basic type of thing, and what I found is that probably has the biggest effect on the health of an individual over anything else. So you can actually make the greatest amount of changes with the atlas, getting it in the right position, because it's right there at the base of the skull, which is the center of the autonomic nervous system.
The base of the skull.
Which actually controls all the functions of the body. So the Atlas orthogonal is one of the big bases of what we do, and has the biggest effect on the health of the individual. And really, to make any types of changes in the rest of the system to help the body to work correctly, that's the beginning of where you need to start. And when I'm actually working with patients, I make sure that that's in position. Now, of course, 20% of the people don't have a problem with that. So we go on to
So not everybody that walks in the office has that issue.
And not everybody who walks into the office has that issue. But getting that corrected is absolutely essential for me to make the other postural changes and to make the changes in the system.
And I want to bring up here, you're board certified in the Atlas orthogonal technique, the only one in the state of Indiana. Got your training down in Atlanta.
Right.
So extensive training.
I was one of the original 6 in that. So that's a huge basis. So there's a very strong belief system in that. And then also I had my greatest amount of changes in my health through this particular type of adjustment. So I can speak from a personal type of standpoint.
Find out how the Atlas orthogonal chiropractic adjustment can transform your health by scheduling an appointment at Meridian Health and Wellness, 317-848-8048. That's 317-848-8048. Or learn more on our website at thevoiceofhealthradio.com.